Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a lesson number 29, a lark. Lark is a bird, okay? It's a poem. Now let's see what it is. Written by Lawrence Alma Tadema, okay? Let's see what it is. What the poet is saying, we will find it out. Lark bird, soaring high, are you never weary? When you reach the empty sky, are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sky? Goldfish, diving deep, are you never sad? Say, when you feel the cold waves creep, are you really glad? Say, don't you sometimes long to sing and be a larkbird on the wing? By Lawrence Alma Tadema. Okay, this is the in this poem. What the poet is asking to the bird. See, our larkbird is shown. Larkbird, soaring high. Soaring high means it is flying on the very high on the air. Okay, are you never weary? Are you never weary means are you never tired? Flying so high on the sky, are you never tired of flying? Is asking the larkbird, are you not tired flying all over in the sky? When you reach the empty sky, are the clouds not dreary? Okay. When you just reach the empty sky space, are the clouds not dreary? Matlab, don't you feel they are very boring because there is nothing over the sky? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? So don't you sometimes feel that instead of being a bird, I would be a goldfish, so that I would be able to be in the water swimming over there. So it's just asking the larkbird, are you not bored of flying very high in the sky? Don't you find the sky very boring? Don't you ever feel that if I would have been a fish, it would be a much better. I would have swum in a chill water, cold water and all. I would have enjoyed it. Don't you feel it's it? You would be a goldfish or not? Okay. Now what he is asking now? He is asking to the goldfish, diving deep. Are you never sad? Say. Now he is asking the goldfish, you are diving deep into the sea. Don't you feel sad over that? He is asking, are you never sad of dipping always in the water? When you feel the cold waves creep, are you really glad? Say. Means is asking when the cold waves comes around, don't you feel do you really feel glad? Do you really happy with the cold waves coming around you? Is asking that. Okay, don't you sometimes long to sing and be a larkbird on the wing? Don't you sometimes feel that it would be much better if I would be in a bird so that I can fly in the sky? So he's just asking the goldfish, don't you feel that you would be wish to be a bird and so that you can fly over in the sky? This is what this poem is. मतलब यहाँ क्या है, लड़का ये क्या बोलता है, द बॉय सेइंग दैट आस्किंग द larkbird, क्या तुम थकते नहीं हो, ऊपर उड़ते उड़ते बोर नहीं होते हो, कंटाला नहीं आता है आपको? डोंट यू फील द एम्प्टी स्काई इज वेरी बोरिंग एंड ऑल? डोंट यू एवर थिंक दैट you would be a fish so that you could swim in the water? It happens to us also. You must be also bored about your being a student. आप लोगों को भी लगता होगा कि मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ, मुझे रोज होमवर्क करना पड़ता है, लेक्चर सुनने पड़ते हैं, अभी तो स्कूल है ही नहीं तो स्कूल सुबह उठ के जाना पड़ता है, तो यू आर गेटिंग बोर्ड अबाउट योर डेली रूटीन. तो आपको महसूस होता है कि वी वुड हैव बीन समथिंग एल्स, हम कुछ और होते तो हम शायद ज़्यादा इंजॉय कर पाते, जैसे चाहे वैसे रह सकते थे. Now being a student, our life is restricted and all. You can't go here and there. Parents are put some restriction over there. If you go to the school, there is some restriction, rules and regulation you have to follow. So you sometimes feel bored about your routine, your life and all, and you think then you do something else. सबको ये मन करता है कि हम कुछ और होते, कोई किसी बच्चों को ये मन करता हो कि हम पक्षी होते तो आसमान में उड़ते, काफ़ी रंग बिरंगी जगह या चीज़ें देखते हैं, काफ़ी ऊंचाई पे उड़ते और बहुत कुछ ऊंचाई से देख पाते हम लोग। या कुछ मछली होते या कोई जानवर, कोई कुछ लोगों को ये कुछ और बनने की चाहत होती है। सो दिस इज़ वॉट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो द सेम थिंग। एक लड़के के मन में ये भावना आती है कि वो जो रोज़ जो पक्षी उड़ती रहती है, क्या उसे कभी कंटाला नहीं आता है इस चीज़ का, बोर नहीं होते हैं क्या आसमान में उड़ते हुए, कि आसमान में कुछ भी नहीं होते। फाइन, तो इज जस्ट आस्किंग द लार्क बर्ड वेदर इट इज हैप्पी विथ इस लाइफ और नॉट। वो खुश है कि नहीं, कभी उसे बोर होता है क्या, कंटाला आता है क्या, कभी कुछ और बनने की चाहत उसमें है क्या। आफ्टर दैट अगेन ही आस्क्ड टू द गोल्ड फिश ऑल्सो वेदर he is happy with his life, enjoying swimming deep in the sea, whether he sometimes wished that he would be a bird so that he can fly over in the sky and enjoy the life very easily. This is what it is mentioned in the poem. That is all. Okay, thank you.